with strength and gravity, to see and hear the water reveal, to feel the warmth the currents weave, and tell the ocean's ancient tale. With bioluminescent glow, she blends with creatures of the night, a beacon in the depths below. Her presence, a celestial light, her kingdom vibrant